Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. The purpose of the tutorial is to look at what Blackboard Collaborate Ultra is, the basic settings and how it can be used to record lectures for online delivery. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra is a real-time video conferencing tool. So in other words, it allows for meetings such as webinars to take place online. It has a number of useful functions, but the one we want to prioritize today is screen sharing to, for example, show slides, overview them and share files, as well as making a recording with the aim of making it available to students permanently. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra is a tool available via Blackboard More pages, which makes it convenient in terms of students accessing the lecture recordings remotely, but still as part of your module small page. So some of the questions we want to cover in this session is how to add Blackboard Collaborate to a module small page, how to create a session, what are the setting buttons, how to share screen and files, and how to record a session and access a recording afterwards. We'll now have a look at how to add Blackboard Collaborate to your MOL page. So firstly, navigate to your MOL page and then on the left-hand side panel, select a plus button. This will allow you to create a tool link. Name it Online Sessions for easy recognition. Make sure to select Blackboard Collaborate Ultra from the drop-down menu. Tick Available to Users and submit. A new heading has appeared in the navigation panel. You can drag it up or down to place it in the desirable position. Okay, so now we've got a space where our online sessions can be created. Let's have a look at how to create one. Firstly, click on Online Sessions. This will take you to a place where new sessions can be placed. To create a session, click on the button Create Session. Give your session a name that your students will be able to easily recognize. For example, start with a module code, week number, lesson number, and topic. You also have an option to set time and date for your session. Whilst there is an option to keep the session as open-ended, I find it's much more efficient if you set an end time. This allows your recordings to be processed much quicker. The final option to look at is session settings. Please make sure to tick Allow Recording Downloads. Confirm with Save. Now that you have created your session, you can start recording your lecture. First, select the relevant session and join session. This will take you to a welcome screen. There are a number of function buttons we should explore. Firstly, at the bottom of the screen, the most important button is Share Audio button. You need to make sure that this is on in order for your recording to take place. You also have an option of sharing your video. The other set of function buttons that are available are placed within Collaborate panel. This is on the right hand side of the screen. Firstly, let's have a look at the settings. Within the settings, you can set up your camera and microphone. This is done via tests. Firstly, audio test, and then a video test. So, how do we record our lecture? Firstly, make sure that your slides or any other materials that you are going to be using are available on your computer. Then navigate to the top left-hand side corner and open session menu. Select Start Recording button. A red light will appear to indicate that session is being recorded. If you are going to use your slides or any other materials available from your computer, you need to share them via Collaborate panel. Select the button Share Content and then select Share Application or Screen. If you are using slides, go to Application window. You should be able to see your slides available there. Select the slides and confirm with Share. Now you can start delivering your lecture. When you have finished, press Escape and go back to your main screen. There is also a stop sharing button. You can press it there as well. If you want to finish the session, go back to the Option Session menu, stop recording and leave session. Now that the session has finished, your recording will start being processing. This will take a few minutes, so be patient, particularly if your lecture is long. How to access recordings. Your recordings are available from Online Sessions and then Menu button. Select Recordings. Once your recording has been processed, it will appear here. If you want to embed it or include it within your mole page, navigate to Recording Options and copy link. Now you've got the link copied, you can include it within your mole page in a place easily available to your students.